So welcome to Mkosi Nomakajeni. I am Umakajeni. So bazalwa, I'm bringing good news, guys. We know mina as Umakajeni, I only watch TV when or ama-reality show ngiwathanda ngingasho ukuthi uthando nesithembu nengane zesithembu kuphela, because lawa amanye adlalayo guys ngifile ngathi nje umuntu uyafuna ukusinika i-life but siyasinononisela ngathi uthi nayi i-chocolate nayi angifuna ukunika. So uthando nesithembu, when they are giving us something, they give us everything that they want us to know. Obvious, they won't give impilo yabo yonke, but mama ngabe bathi manje bakhuluma ngendaba yokuthi mhlawumbe uMpumelelo uyashada, they focus on that. Hayi ukuthi bazothi uMpumelelo uyashada next time salindile phela, so kumele silokhu sibabuza ukuthi manje le ndaba iphele. No, they don't do that. So guys, I've seen on Instagram of another guy and the Facebook page yakhe kuthiwa Ingane Ezithembu, they are coming back on our screen very soon. They were shooting season 4 of Ingane Ezithembu and they look very happy, and we know that Mpumelelo on the last season uthanyeka sa introduce ama-girlfriend wakhe or abantu athanda wena abashadile or what, because ubonile ukuthi makaletha abantu anobudlelane nabo kubo labo bantu labo baskima nabantu bakubo and akayithandi lento leyo. But we know ukuthi there's no reality show yase Ingane Ezithembu ngaphandle kaMpumelelo nedrama yamakhosikazi wakhe. At this point I feel like uMpumelelo mangathi ufuna ishow yakhe ayi-one, Ingane Ezithembu won't be Ingane Ezithembu, no less they'll add laba abancane obanzi yabo. But ngaphandle kaMpumelelo there's no show, and uMpumelelo phela utrende nabantu abaningi. Siyazi ukuthi the allegations, even though Amahle waphika, the allegations that Amahle has a beautiful baby boy. So we understand kuningi nje sifuna ukukwazi ngoMpumelelo no Amahle ukuthi i-relationship yabo ihamba kanjani. There's a new girl that esimbona poster naye ugele yamposta ke kuma socials wakhe, then there Fortunate. So we want to know what, and we've seen Fortunate noTrelo making videos. We want to know what mhlawumbe Fortunate noTrelo, they're getting along, because laba abanye abantu abathandane noMpumelelo esike sababona on the show I'm talking about Amahle and uVuyokazi bebangabonisi banobudlelwano bo-right noTrelo bo. Maybe this one bayazwana and they understand each other. Guys, I'm looking forward for the season 4 Ingane Ezithembu. I know Abongo sekakhulwile. I believe this season Abongo will give us more of her life. I feel like kunenye impilo because ugraduateile. So ma use-varsity guys or college, you are no longer staying nabazali bakho. I believe ukuthi uba nenye life, and it's where uzithola khona, because awusesikho kule nto le yakabazali bakho. You live your life freely, you get to know abanye abantu. And as Abonga khulele KZN usekeleze kwenye i-province which is Gauteng province, ubone enye impilo, ubone impilo yaseJozi, ubufast bempilo yaseJozi. So obvious khona ezinye izinto na uzozidiscover about yourself. So I feel like uAbonge mhlambe khona into azosinika yona now nompilo since asebenza, khona into abasinika yona, not ukuthi sifocus kuMpumelelo no Snake phela. Obvious we know ukuthi uSnake naye mele explain indaba kaBaby Daddy. I guess on this season of Izingane Ezithembu uzositshela ukuthi ubani kahle kahle babomntana yakhe, if sekayamazi naye ukuthi babomntana amuzi bani uzosho ukuthi ubani. And guys, one thing about abantu bakamseleko, Ithando Nesithembu, Ingane Ezithembu, they always give us the best reality show in South Africa. They give us a reason to watch TV, and yabona makudlala ama-shows wabo, we do not mind paying DStv. We don't mind paying DStv. So I feel like ngathi mangapheli Ingane Ezithembu balethe ezinye lezi abonini what lebe bayidlala ku-YouTube, makuphela leyo kubuye le abazali yayibona nje kube yileyo nto leyo nje siloku si-happy nje Mzansi. But bazali bami, that is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.